So I hope you have understood the description of Triantivonti gongolab, and also you have understood what our insect likes to eat. Before we move on to the third stanza, let me explain you meaning of few words that when the first time we come across it, we might get scared and you have to call it very softly. Otherwise, it will stay away and move. It will feel bad, it will feel dejected, it will feel low if you don't call it softly. So, all are ready to recite the third paragraph stanza? Here we go. It trembles if you tickle it or tread upon its toes. It is not an early riser, but has a snubbish nose. If you sneer at it or scold it, it will scuttle off in shame. But it purrs and purrs quite proudly if you call it by its name, and offer it some sandwiches of sealing wax and soap. So try, try, try Antivonti, try Antivonti gongolab. So don't be scared of try Antivonti gongolab. Call it softly and it will like that. Otherwise, it will feel low and dejected. So the third stanza, it describes the action. If you touch it, tickle it, अगर तुमने उसको गुदगुदी लगाई तो क्या होगा? It will shake, it will tremble. Or if you happen to step on it, if you happen to touch it by your feet, it will tremble, it will shake. So even if you touch it very lightly, it shakes. It is not an early riser. What do we understand from the words not an early riser? Generally, the people who are early riser, they are very active, and the people who like to rise awake late are somewhat lazy sort of people. So our insect is not an early riser. So we can say it is lazy. It has a snubbish or it has a running nose. Snubbish has different meanings according to the concept, according to the context. Otherwise, snubbish mean somewhat short and turned up at the end. But here, in this context, you can say snubbish nose, that is running nose. If you scold it or shout it, it will run away hurriedly. We also don't like scolding. If somebody shouts at us, somebody scolds us, we also try to move away. So our insect, if you scold at it or if you shout it, it will scuttle away. That is, it will move away. It won't like that. It will run hurriedly. Scolding, we all know. Shouting or saying something that we don't like to hear. So if you happen to scold it or shout at it, it will run away hurriedly. But if you call it by its name, it will make soft sounds. Those who have pet at homes, you know that how the cat purrs very softly. That is the sound they like to make when they are happy, isn't it? So if you call it by its name, it will purr softly. And what is the name? Try Antivonti, try Antivonti gongolab. It will be happy when you call it by its name. And now, here our surprise will be open. Let's move on to our last paragraph. But of course, you haven't seen it. But of course, you haven't seen it, and I truthfully confess that I haven't seen it either, and I don't know its address. For there isn't such an insect, though there really might have been if the trees and grass were purple and the sky was bottle green. It's just a little joke of mine which you will forgive, I hope. Oh, try, Antivonti, try Gongolab. So now the surprise is open, and the poet has confessed that he had never seen such an insect. But the day you see trees purple like this, the day you happen to see purple tree, purple grass, and the day you happen to see bottle green sky, which we know that it is impossible. So poet has confessed that neither he has seen such type of insect, but the day you see trees and grass purple and the sky bottle green, you might come across such an insect. That's Bonti Congolab. And the poem is wonderful. So even the poet has played a prank on us. We, of course, can forgive for reading such a wonderful poem, isn't it? So that is about the fourth paragraph. So finally, we came to know that no such insect is there in existence. I hope you have liked to read and recite the poem. In the next session, we will start with textbook exercise, that is writing the meaning and few concepts we will learn. So we will meet again in the next session. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, of course.